Hey everybody, it's me, Kitty, with Coupon Divas, and today I want to show you another great way to find coupons when you're out shopping. This one's called Coupon Blinkies. Come on, let's go inside and I'll show you what they are. Okay, so this is what you're looking for. This little teeny box here was kind of, it's not red anymore, so I was kind of thrown, but here it is, and it's called the Smart Source Coupon Box, and you'll see it has a coupon hanging out of it. And the reason why this is also known as the Coupon Blinky, or Blinky coupons, because why? Because if you look on the side, there's a little blinking red light, kind of to get your attention. Okay, so here's the little machine, and the way that you get the coupon out of the machine is that you just kind of rub it like this, like the magic genie. I want a coupon. I wish I had a coupon. I wish I had a coupon. No, that's not really the way you do it. You're just gonna, it's already hanging out, so you're just gonna take it. And then another one usually spits right back out, but if it doesn't, there are several techniques for getting yourself some more coupons because they're free. You can take what you need. So I'm going to show you a couple of those techniques that I like to do. The first one is the disguise method, and that's just going to walk on by, and I'm a different person, and I'm grabbing a coupon. The next method, if you don't want to look too, like you're taking too many, or, you got to take what you need, though, it's kind of inconspicuous. Like I'm reading this box, and I'm just going to take this coupon, and there you go. Another coupon for you. And the other method is the distraction method. Hey, is that green tea over there? Got another. I know that looks like a lot of fun, but you're not going to want to take advantage. So, if you have a bunch of coupons and you're not going to use them, you're just going to want to stick them. Sometimes they have a little slot, but like right there, you can stick them, and then the next person can go ahead and grab what they need. So there you go. That's another way. They're free. Take what you need. Okay, so we're back over here on the Coupon Divas website. And so for those of you who have watched the entire video, here is your special bonus. Now, most of you know that if you click on grocery coupons right here, it'll take you over to where you normally get your grocery coupons, and you're able to print these ones. However, now, if you scroll to the very bottom, here's a little sneak peek that those of you who have watched the video will get the very special new, brand new Smart Source coupons. These are in addition to every other coupon that you've printed on the site. Look here, you've got another 53 coupons that you get to print. It's a second whole page of coupons offered just by Smart Source, and you can print 2 of each of these just like the other coupons on the site. And it doesn't matter if there's 2 Huggies coupons here, you can print them here, and you can print them on the other page too. So this is a special bonus. It's a beta release of our new Smart Source coupon section. And I'd like to thank those of you who did watch to the end of the video, and you are the first ones to see this page. So I hope you're enjoying it, and until next time, thanks for watching.